Hello, welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining. So what am I doing today? So I thought I would do a Larimar, but I'm going to do it with paste and mica. I don't know that it will work because you don't usually use paste with a Larimar, but I'll give it a try. No harm trying, as they say. Right, so I'm using platinum for the resin, and I'm sorry I've got the light on because it's quite late here because I'm working in the dark. Let's have a look, and this is Green Diamond by Just Resin, and it's such a beautiful green. I absolutely love it, and I usually get it all over me when I'm getting it out. Of course, like always, everything is too big on me. The gloves are too big, so the gloves go in. Mix it before use. And I'm only going to use whatever I have left on the stick. I'm gonna go like this and clean the excess of the stick. And continue stirring because I want to make sure that it's very well stirred. Okay, now for the gold. And this is just a gold I bought in eBay. Nothing special. So I've only got a tiny bit. Tiny little bit. And you have to really make sure you really stir it well because it tends to stay in clumps. And I'm going to add some yellow to the gold. I'm going to use the Hansa Yellow by Holbein. So put 2 drops of yellow into the gold. So it's made it a little bit more vibrant. Yep, that's more towards what I wanted. All right, now for the white, I'm going to use Custom Craft for the white. It's a new bottle, but to be honest, I find that it is not as good as the old one. You have to add more to it. So I've done 4 drops. And as you can see, the 4 drops, it's almost transparent. Like I've got some on the stick, but if you look, 4 drops, it's not enough. So don't know what's going on with this one here. So that's 7 drops altogether. Yeah, that's more towards what I wanted. So I did 7 drops in the end. So the first thing we're going to do is, of course, add the white. I'm going to take some bubbles off. And scrape the bottom. To reduce the micro bubbles. Alright, so first I'm going in with my green. And now I'm going in with my gold. And now I'm doing my bush. Alright, so I might put some silver crushed glass to it. Maybe a bit too much. You want a little bit of the gold, not too much. And this beautiful mold is from Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out. And right in the middle, hopefully it is the middle, because you never know. It's very hard to tell when once it closes up. It's almost impossible to tell. So keep your fingers and your toes crossed for me, because paste doesn't usually work for Larimar. So here it's hoping that it will work. Excuse me. And I'm very sorry that I have not been able to make too many tutorial videos lately due to personal reasons. So hopefully in another week I will be able to go back to normal. Thank you for all those that are still supporting me and watching my videos. I love you all. Thank you. Bye for now. I'll be back when it's time to demold. Okay, so let's have a look. Hopefully we have something nice. Oh yes, very beautiful. The gold is just peeking through in some spots, but it's a beautiful green. I'm very happy with that. Look nicer in the sun, because you'll be able to see a bit more the glitter and the gold. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Bye for now. Swirling dreams of pain, pouring, setting free, a world of color just for me to create beauty.